Learn Hindi directions and tech words, links, right, and
सीधे आगे.
welcome to your tiny Hindi adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 3 super useful Hindi expressions without falling asleep on page 1. We will laugh a little, repeat a lot, and make the words stick. Today your mission is simple: master links, right, and straight ahead in Hindi. In this lesson, links is,
Link.
right is,
दायां.
and straight ahead is.
सीधे आगे.
Yes, one of them already sounds suspiciously like English. That is not cheating, that is teamwork. Meet the words. Let's say each word clearly, like you are teaching a very confused but enthusiastic robot. Links.
Link.
It sounds almost the same as English link. Right.
दायां.
Stretch out your right arm when you say it. Straight ahead.
सीधे आगे.
Point forward like a dramatic movie hero. A ridiculously useful story. Now imagine you are in a busy city, with a phone in one hand and absolutely no sense of direction in the other. You are looking for a cafe, but first your friend texts, "I sent the
Link.
exclamation mark quote." Great. You click the
Link.
and instead of a cafe map, 10 pizza ads appear. A cat somewhere has clearly touched the wrong button. You ignore the pizza destiny and ask a shopkeeper for help. He smiles and says, "Go."
दायां.
You turn.
दायां.
Walk a little, and ask another person. This one points boldly and says,
सीधे आगे.
quote. So now you go.
सीधे आगे.
Like the hero of your own low-budget travel film. Finally, you find the cafe, open the correct
Link.
and reward yourself with tea and the joy of not being lost anymore. Useful lines you can borrow. Here are some practical lines you can repeat out loud. Pretend you are already out in the world using them. I clicked the links on the website. In Hindi, main vibhasita para.
Link.
Para clicka kiya. Please send me the links by email. In Hindi, Kirpaya mujhe email say.
Link.
Bhim. Turn right at the corner. In Hindi, Kone para.
दायां.
Muro. The shop is on the right side. In Hindi, Dukana.
दायां.
Tarifa high. Go straight ahead at the traffic light. In Hindi,
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर सीधे आगे जाओ.
the station is straight ahead. In Hindi,
स्टेशन सीधे आगे है.
mini dialogue chaos. Let's make it conversational. You listen, repeat, and enjoy the mild confusion. A. Can you send the links? B. Ham, maim abi.
Link.
Bejata hum. A. Which way now? B.
दायां.
A. Where is the bus stop? B.
सीधे आगे.
A. So first? B.
दायां.
Then.
सीधे आगे.
A. And the map? B. I already sent the
Link.
Please do not let the cat click it again. Memory tricks that actually help. You do not need a giant textbook. You just need a few weird images in your head. 4.
Link.
Imagine a glowing internet bridge. One click, and a new page opens. 4.
दायां.
Touch your right shoulder and say the word. 4.
सीधे आगे.
Imagine a huge neon arrow pointing forward down a road. Bonus memory palace. On your front door there is a giant.
Link.
On the right wall a bright sign says.
दायां.
And in the hallway a glowing path goes.
सीधे आगे.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a tiny challenge. If you get one wrong, congratulations, your brain is still learning. What is the Hindi word for links?
Link.
What is the Hindi word for right?
दायां.
How do you say straight ahead in Hindi?
सीधे आगे.
Translate this idea into Hindi. Turn right.
दायां मुड़ो.
Translate this idea into Hindi. Go straight ahead.
सीधे आगे जाओ.
Fill the blank. Please send me the ___ by email.
Link.
Tiny culture and usage note. Here is a useful detail that makes your Hindi sound more real in modern life. In modern Hindi, especially in technology and daily online speech,
Link.
is commonly used just like English link. For directions
दायां,
and
सीधे आगे,
are practical words you can hear while asking for help in markets, streets, and stations. Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned useful Hindi with directions, tech, and a suspiciously talented pizza ordering cat. Let's say them one last time together.
लिंक, दायां, सीधे आगे.
Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow for another short Hindi adventure.